Introducing the Twist-Step Pet Step for dogs, your dog's new best friend when it comes to getting in and out of your vehicle. This innovative step quickly attaches to your vehicle's hitch receiver and conveniently tucks away under the bumper when not in use. It makes it easier for your furry companion to access your car, minimizing the impact and stress on their joints. Frequent jumping can lead to serious health issues like arthritis, leg injuries, back sprains, and spinal damage. The Twist-Step is designed to provide a lower-impact alternative, ensuring your pet can enter and exit safely. It's a perfect solution for dogs of all ages. Young pups can avoid unnecessary stress on their growing hips and elbows, while active dogs will love having an easy way to hop up after a long day of hiking, hunting, or playing outside. Say goodbye to straining your back lifting heavy dogs into the car. With the Twist-Step, you can ensure your canine companion enjoys a safe and stress-free ride. Give your dog the comfort they deserve with this essential accessory. The Solid Shield Traction Aid is your go-to solution for getting out of tricky spots, whether you're stuck in snow, ice, sand, or mud. Built for light-duty trucks and passenger vehicles, these tough traction plates are easy to install and quickly provide the grip you need on the drive axle to get moving again. When situations get rough, you can attach 2 traction claws to each wheel of your drive axle for even more stability. If you need an extra boost, an optional extender bar offers 10 more inches of traction beyond your tire. Just remember, for safety, these extender bars should only be used on the rear wheels, as using them on the front can risk damaging your wheel well. The set comes complete with 2 traction plates, sturdy ratchets, primary and secondary straps, and plastic rim protectors, giving you everything needed to safely power through tough terrain. Reliable and easy to use, the Solid Shield Traction Aid is a must-have for any driver facing extreme conditions. The Rove Viva Pro is a game-changer for your car, a car charger with Alexa built right in. This is the first of its kind, letting you access all the convenience of Alexa on the road. It has 2 USB-A ports with a total output of up to 4.8 amps, so you can quickly charge your devices while staying connected. The Viva Pro pairs with your phone via Bluetooth and features a microphone output jack, making it super versatile. To activate Alexa, simply say Alexa, as you would with any other Alexa-enabled device, and it's ready to respond to your commands. Keep in mind, though, that the microphone will catch your voice best if the car's background noise is lower than your speaking volume. This handy gadget brings smart assistance to your driving experience. Ask Alexa to play music, make calls, navigate, and more, all while charging your devices at impressive speeds. The Rove Viva Pro makes any trip a bit smarter and easier. This powerful pneumatic jack is designed to make lifting vehicles fast and hassle-free. With a sturdy and straightforward build, it delivers dependable performance every time. There are 2 models available, so you can pick the perfect jack to fit your needs. Capable of lifting up to 3.5 tons, this jack is a versatile choice, ideal for use in the garage or outside. All it needs is a standard air compressor to operate smoothly, making it convenient and easy to set up. The jack's stability and strength come from its durable rubber cushions and a premium internal telescoping system, which help it lift vehicles more steadily than similar jacks. This design reduces wobbling, keeping your vehicle securely in place while you work. Whether you're a professional or handling your own car repairs, this pneumatic jack makes vehicle lifting a breeze. Its ease of use, strength, and reliability make it a must-have tool for anyone who wants to get the job done efficiently and safely. A car phone mount makes it super easy to use your smartphone for navigation. But did you know you can also charge your phone while driving? With wireless charging technology, you can power up your device and keep your favorite apps running without worrying about a drained battery. Before you buy a mount, it's essential to check if your smartphone supports wireless charging. Most recent Android phones and iPhones are equipped for this feature. For the latest Android models, it's a standard wireless charging system, while iPhones use the upgraded MagSafe technology for faster charging. ACC Lu's wireless car charger is a fantastic choice since it works with all Qi-enabled devices, which means you can charge popular Android phones like the Samsung S7 and iPhone 8 without hassle. Whether you're using GPS, listening to music, or making calls, this car mount keeps your phone secure and charged, making every journey smoother and more convenient. Upgrade your driving experience with this essential accessory. The number 0 2.0 magnetic car vent mount keeps your iPhone 12 right where you need it while you're on the road. This multifunctional device makes it easy to take calls, navigate, or enjoy music hands-free, helping you stay focused on driving. With its ultra-strong magnet, this 5-in-1 gadget is more than just a phone holder. It also works as an air freshener, a fun fidget toy, a handy phone stand, and even an animated decor piece that adds a unique touch to your car's interior. For a personal touch, you can fill it with your favorite essential oil, letting it surround your car with a refreshing scent. Designed for iPhone 12 and newer models, it attaches directly without the need for a MagSafe adapter. The number 0 2.0 is the perfect mix of function and fun, keeping your phone secure, your space fresh, and your drive distraction-free. A practical upgrade for anyone looking to elevate their in-car experience. The Hudley wireless head-up display is an amazing device that shows navigation directions, notifications, and other important info right in your view while driving. This cutting-edge product connects wirelessly to both iOS and Android smartphones, making it suitable for nearly any car on the road. Featuring a 6.2-inch screen with a resolution of 800 by 480, the Hudley wireless delivers clear visuals. The screen reflects onto an adjustable, transparent display coated with a special layer that enhances clarity, color, and contrast, giving you a vibrant view of your information. One of its standout features is the automatic brightness sensor, which adjusts the screen brightness based on the surrounding light. Whether you're driving in bright sunlight or at night, you'll always have the best visibility. Hudley claims this display can be 5 times brighter than an average smartphone screen, making it easy to keep track of directions and notifications without taking your eyes off the road. Elevate your driving experience with this smart, safety-first accessory that keeps you informed and focused, helping you stay connected while keeping your attention on the road. The Dent Goalie is a smart solution to protect your car from dreaded door dings. Ever notice how certain parking spots, close cars, or tight spaces make it almost certain you'll come back to a new scratch or ding? The Dent Goalie's here to stop that from happening. This clever car protector is a large magnetic panel you can quickly attach to your car's side before leaving it. Just unfold it, stick it on, and your car is shielded from doors that might swing open too hard next to you. It's super easy to use and has a built-in security feature, a cable that you tuck inside and close with your car door, so no one can walk off with it. Dent Goalie panels come in a set of 2, giving you double the protection. Now you can park with peace of mind, knowing your car is safe from dents and scratches. If you know general aviation, you've likely come across the journey of Cirrus aircraft. Brothers Dale and Alan Klapmeyer from Wisconsin began with kit planes, but soon saw a bigger opportunity, a next-generation, certified plane tailored for everyday pilots. In 1995, they announced plans to develop this groundbreaking aircraft. The design would use composite materials for a sleek aerodynamic look and top-tier safety features for reliable performance. One interesting feature? The doors. While they first envisioned minivan-style sliding doors, they ultimately chose a unique upward and forward opening design, creating a roomy, welcoming cabin. Determined to make flying simpler and safer, the Klapmeyers focused on high-tech avionics and advanced engine controls to reduce pilot workload and improve awareness. They also aimed to deliver unmatched value, offering more features and quality than any aircraft in its class. Cirrus aircraft has since revolutionized general aviation, making it more accessible and secure for a wide range of pilots. Meet the Car Aid, your ultimate 18-in-1 road companion designed to keep you safe and connected. This compact multi-tool can jump-start your car without needing jumper cables or another vehicle. Perfect for emergencies. It also charges your phone and laptop, so you never lose power on the go. In emergencies, you'll appreciate features like a safety belt cutter and a window breaker, allowing you to escape quickly if necessary. It also includes a built-in flashlight and an SOS flasher for better visibility during nighttime breakdowns. Plus, a burglar alarm adds an extra layer of security. Compatible with any 12-volt vehicle, including cars, boats, and ATVs, the Car Aid is slip-resistant, shock-resistant, and water-resistant. Its compact design fits easily in your glove compartment or cup holder. With the Car Aid, you'll be ready for anything on your adventures. The Bayanot X Turismo hoverbike is built to tackle tough environments and glide effortlessly over water. Developed with the expertise of Japan's ALI Technologies, the hoverbike combines advanced materials and innovative engineering. Its frame is crafted from high-strength carbon fiber, commonly used in aerospace, making it both durable and lightweight. Weighing in at 300 kilograms, this powerful vehicle is equipped with a 230-horsepower Kawasaki racing engine supported by 4 electric motors. Together, they allow the hoverbike to reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. It can maintain that pace for about 40 minutes on a full tank, covering significant distances in a short time. The X Turismo can also soar up to a height of 20 meters, providing a thrilling perspective of the terrain below while navigating challenging landscapes. In today's world, a backup camera is essential for any vehicle. These cameras help you park and reverse with ease, while significantly reducing the risk of accidents by eliminating blind spots. However, traditional backup cameras can be tricky to install, often requiring complicated wiring and frequent recharging. That's where the Autovox Solar Wireless Backup Camera comes in. This innovative camera is designed for hassle-free installation and enhanced safety. Its wireless setup means no messy cables to deal with, and it's solar-powered, so you won't have to worry about charging it constantly. With the Autovox Solar 1P, you'll get a clear view of what's behind you, making parking and driving safer. Investing in this backup camera not only adds convenience, but also boosts your overall safety on the road. Make your driving experience smoother and more secure with this must-have accessory. The Neutron Bike by Parker Brothers is a futuristic motorcycle designed for high performance and sleek solo riding. Unlike traditional bikes, it doesn't rely on gas or a combustion engine. Instead, it's powered entirely by an electric motor. The bike's lithium-ion battery pack offers an impressive range, allowing for up to 80 miles of travel on a full charge. And with a top speed of 100 miles per hour, the Neutron Bike is built for thrilling rides on clean, quiet power. Designed as a single-rider vehicle, the Neutron Bike has no space for passengers, keeping the experience focused solely on the driver. It represents the next step in Parker Brothers' evolution of futuristic motorcycles, following their earlier light cycle model. That model featured a gas-powered Suzuki V-twin engine, offering a different flavor of high-speed performance. The gas version of this unique bike already carries a price tag of $55,000, giving a hint at the premium cost of cutting-edge motorcycle design. The Neutron Bike takes that legacy forward, with electric energy, style, and performance. The Lazareth LMV496 is a jaw-dropping creation by French engineer Ludovic Lazareth, who's known for pushing boundaries in vehicle design. Following the debut of his LM847 model in 2016, Lazareth unveiled this incredible hybrid motorcycle, which combines both ground and air capabilities. The LMV496 runs on an electric motor, providing a range of around 100 kilometers, about 60 miles on the road. However, what truly sets this bike apart is its ability to hover. Each of the bike's 4 wings houses a horizontal jet engine, which together produce an impressive 1,300 horsepower. When activated, these jet engines lift the LMV-496 off the ground, allowing it to hover for up to 10 minutes. Powered by kerosene, these jet turbines take over once the bike is airborne, conserving the electric motor's power for ground travel. Lazaret's LMV-496 is a visionary fusion of motorcycle and hovercraft, capturing the thrill of futuristic travel. At the Tokyo Motor Show, Kawasaki unveiled its futuristic J-Concept motorcycle, capturing attention with a design unlike anything seen before. This bold concept debuted years ahead of Yamaha's unconventional Nikon and brought a fresh vision to motorcycling. The J-Concept featured dual front wheels and the unique ability to adapt its form to the rider's style. Designed with an electric powertrain, it could adjust between two riding positions: a low, aerodynamic stance for high-speed rides, and a more upright, comfortable position for relaxed cruising. The J-Concept's innovative design allowed it to extend or retract its wheelbase on command, adapting instantly to different riding preferences. In place of traditional handlebars, the bike offered two individual controllers, each governing one of the front wheels, giving riders an entirely new experience of control. The J-Concept demonstrated Kawasaki's forward-thinking approach to motorcycle design, blending flexibility, electric power, and a futuristic aesthetic to create a one-of-a-kind riding experience. Introducing the Fulcrum PowerPod, a game-changer for free flyers. Ram Engines has just unveiled an innovative new tool for free flyers, the Fulcrum PowerPod. This compact pod harness features a unique motor designed to help pilots launch and climb effortlessly. Instead of a traditional paramotor, it uses a duct fan, which is significantly smaller in diameter, just 0.5 meters, compared to standard propellers, 1.1 to 1.4 meters. This smaller size means it's less bulky on the ground and conveniently tucks away behind the pilot's back, enhancing aerodynamics. The PowerPod is tailored specifically for free flyers, eliminating the need for a hill or towing to take off. It allows for launches in any wind direction, making flying more accessible than ever. With an impressive thrust of 50 kilograms, it provides more than enough power for an easy takeoff. For an 82-kilogram pilot flying with a SkyX paraglider, the climb rate is around 1.7 to 1.8 meters per second. Once you're in the air, you can switch off the motor and enjoy the freedom of cross-country flying in a comfortable pod, making every adventure a breeze. The Lumos Ultra Helmet is a game-changer for safety on the road. Placing a light high on your helmet offers several advantages. First and foremost, it makes you more visible to motorists, reducing the chances of being overlooked by parked cars or other obstacles. When drivers can see your helmet light, they can better gauge where you're looking, which helps them navigate around you more safely. This helmet uses a cutting-edge technology called chips on board for its LED lights. Unlike traditional LED systems, COB technology provides a more compact design while delivering brighter light. This means you'll stand out from a greater distance, enhancing your visibility significantly. Plus, the light beam is more even, ensuring you're well lit from all angles. Overall, the Lumos Ultra Helmet not only boosts your visibility, but also enhances your safety on the road. With its innovative design and powerful lighting, you can ride with confidence, knowing you're seen by those around you. Stay safe and stylish with the Lumos Ultra Helmet.